Hey there everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I have some exciting news for you. I've discovered a fantastic website called appq.com that offers free cash for Township. Yes, you heard it right, free cash. Stick around as we explore how you can unlock unlimited cash to enhance your Township experience. As you can see guys, I have 28 cash for the moment. Let's dive in guys. First things first, open your browser and type appq.com, make sure to write it right. This incredible website is designed to provide you with a seamless and effortless way to obtain free cash for Township and many other apps. Let me walk you through the process step by step. All you have to do is to type in the name of the game on the search bar. In our case, we're looking for Township. Then the game will appear just below and you will have to click on it. Once you're going to click on it, this will appear and you will click on this button below download now to have access to it. You will have to wait for some few seconds until it's download, which is completely normal. All what you have to do is to enter your game username that you are actually using. For my case is Raya. Next, you will choose the device you play on. We will wait for some few seconds until it's download. And the amount of diamonds that you want to purchase, for my case, I will go with the maximum. We are almost done, guys. It's the last and the most important part you have to do human verification. It's really simple. You will click on the verify button and then you will be asked to choose one of the offers. I will go for the second one, for example. You can choose any one of them, no problem. Next, you have to answer their questions. You can do it randomly, and it will work, guys. Finally, you will be asked to enter your email address and click on continue. That's it. I waited for like 5 minutes and then I opened up the game. As you can see, guys, all the resources has been added. Thank you for watching, you guys. I will be making other videos for you. Stay tuned.